Jai Hind, everyone. Until now, under English vocabulary playlist, we have covered till letter J. Now we'll resume the playlist with letter K words. Let's get started. Under the letter K, the first one is knack. Knack. Knack, it is something called skill or talent. So, what are the synonyms for talent? We have covered already. That is flair, dexterity, expertise, adroitness, aficionado. These are all the synonyms for knack. So, what does knack mean? It means skill. And what are the synonyms? Talent, flair, dexterity, expertise, adroitness. So, these are the synonyms for knack. The next one is knave. Knave. What does it mean? It means a idiot or scoundrel or rascal, villain. These are all the synonyms of knave. The third one is kiosk. So we know what a kiosk is. It's like something like a counter. And what are the synonyms? The meaning of kiosk is counter. And what are the synonyms? Booth or stall. Self kiosk where we can get the tickets. We have seen they have been installed railway stations, etc. So that is the meaning of kiosk. The next one, kudos. Kudos means you're praising someone, congratulating someone. That is the meaning of kudos. And what are the synonyms? Commendation, praise, eulogy, panegyrize, extol, encomium, plaudit, admire, adore. These are all the synonyms for kudos. The next one, knell. Knell means ring or toll. Ring, knell means ring or toll. The next one is ken. Ken means awareness or having a knowledge of it or cognizance of it. That is the meaning of ken. So what does ken mean? Awareness, having a knowledge or cognizance. The next one is knead. Knead the dough means blend the dough or mix the flour. That is the meaning of knead. The next one, that is pique. Pique means angry. Nettle. Nettle means annoy, irritate, vex, badger, pester. These are all the synonyms for nettle. The next one is baffle. Baffle means confused or nonplussed, flummoxed. These are all the synonyms for baffle. And the next one, kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac means it is to describe a person who steals things. So kleptomaniac means stealer or thief. Basically, steal is more near to the meaning of kleptomaniac. So it's like a quality of a person who tries to steal things. So that is the meaning of kleptomaniac. The next one, set fires. Set fires means pyromaniac. Pyromaniac means set fires. The next one, kindred. Kindred means kith and kin. What does kith and kin means? Blood relations. And what are the synonyms? Family, relatives. That is the meaning of kindred. The next word is kindle. Kindle means inflame, arouse, feeling, agitate, provoke, instigate. So that is kindle means something you are trying to provoke it, something that is arising, something is arising. That is the meaning of kindle. The next one, kempt. Kempt means neat or clean, tidy, orderly, spick and span. What does spick and span mean? Something that is very clean and tidy. That is the meaning of spick and span. So these are all the synonyms and the idiom of kempt. The next one, kernel. Kernel is usually to describe the inside part of a fruit. So if you have a fruit, what is the inside part? That is either seed or something that is called inside part of a fruit. And what are the synonyms? Something that is fundamental or elementary. That is the meaning synonyms for kernel. The next one, sanguine. Sanguine means being hopeful. What is the meaning of sanguine? Being hopeful. Next, conquer means capture, confiscate, or impound. Conquer means capture, confiscate, impound. The next, knit. Knit means unite. Whereas naughty, okay, we have it in the next. We have it in the list. So we'll go through the next word only. Keen. Keen means being anxious or eagerness. Keen means being eagerly waiting for something, or that is the meaning of keen. The next one is kinetic. Kinetic means active. Kinetic means active. The next one, kinship. Kinship means affinity, liking, penchant, admiration. These are all the synonyms for kinship. The next one, knoll. Knoll means something, this is different from knell. Knell means ring or toll, whereas knoll means a small hill or hillock or a mound. So we have in a plain, to see the plain, there will be small uprisings. So that these are called knolls. The next one, knotty. Knotty means something that is very complex. What are the synonyms? Complicated, convoluted, convoluted, intricate. So what are the synonyms of knotty? Complex, convoluted, complicated, intricate. These are the synonyms for knotty. The next one, excruciating means that is something very painful. So, or tormenting or painful. This is one of the PYQs in CDS. Excruciating means tormenting or painful. The next one, kick off. Kick off means starting something. Next, knowledge. Knowledge means being aware of it or cognizance of it. That is the meaning of knowledge. Next one, quell. Quell is different from knell. Knell is different from knoll. So quell means delighted, happy, bliss, mirth. These are all the synonyms for quell. The next one, knightly. Knights means someone who fights bravely. So knightly means bravely, chivalrous. These are the synonyms for knightly. The next one, kicky. Kicky means something that is in fashion or trend, vogue, trendy, or fad. Fad means fashion. These are the synonyms for kicky. The next one, kith. Kith means blood relationship or consanguinity. Consanguinity is different from sanguine. Sanguine means hopeful, whereas consanguine means blood related by the blood. That is the meaning of kith, that is blood relationship and consanguinity. The next one is knuckle. Knuckle means bow, surrender, or capitulate. What is the meaning of knuckle? Bow, surrender, or capitulate. So with this, we have completed K letter words. The words mentioned here, or some of them were repeated in the examinations in both FCAT and CDS. So please make sure you cover all the words. With this, I'm concluding this video. And in the next class, I'll come up with next letter, that is L letter words. Until then, thank you and Jai Hind.